Hey guys, your work for today is your decoding the text assignment. So you're going to open it up on Cami. It is Uncle Tom's Cabin. You're going to be reading two book reviews about Uncle Tom's Cabin. So remember to review the directions. You need to underline key phrases or words you do know. You need to summarize each paragraph in the margins. There's two paragraphs, so I should see two summaries. And you need to connect the text. I want you to highlight key phrases or words in one color that shows a northern perspective and highlight key phrases or words in another color that show the southern perspective. So if we go ahead and we get started with this down here, this is a book review from The Liberator. Now, The Liberator should be a hint. That is William Lloyd Garrison's the abolitionist newspaper. So that should give you a hint what is going to be happening in this paragraph. So if we just take a look at the first couple things together, again, we're going to underline some key phrases. Mrs. Stowe has displayed rare descriptive powers, a familiar acquaintance with slavery under its best and worst phases. So I might underline things like slavery. She seems to be familiar with it. Oops. Intimate as we have been for a score of years with the features and operations of the slave system, and often as we have listened to the recitals of its horrors from the lips of poor hunted fugitives, we confess to the frequent moistening of our eyes and making our heart grow liquid as water and the trembling of every nerve with us. So again, I might go through and highlight things such as horrors, poor hunted fugitives, that's talking about enslaved people, the moistening of our eyes. All of this is talking about his, all of this is showing us this reviewer's thoughts about Uncle Tom's Cabin. So you might say something like, this reviewer believes that Stowe has a familiar understanding of slavery. She is talking about the injustices of the slave system. The book makes readers cry, right? This person is saying that she is this great writer. Then you would want to go through and highlight words that show us this northern perspective. So words such as, again, horrors, moistening of our eyes, struggling here a little bit, trembling. So you need to make sure you do all three parts. You underline, you summarize, and then you highlight again the different colors. When you get done with this, and again, you can be more detailed than what I've done here. You see there's another review. There's also questions at the end. Don't forget the questions at the end. And then once you finish this, as always, you're going to go take your quiz on Schoology. Take your time on that. You get 2 attempts.